If you are a filmmaker, then you know carrying or buying a wireless transmission along your gear is really expensive, especially for indie filmmakers who do all the things by their own. And the guys who don't know about wireless transmission, then it's a device which can help you to transmit your data from one point to another point. And in this video, I'm gonna show you a wireless transmission in a budget segment by a really good company. That's a CVW-Crystal Vision Wireless, who making the really good stuff. And we're gonna testing and review as well as unboxing the CVW SWIFT800 second generation transmitter. So hey guys, Money here from back screen. Let's get started.
This is the CVW SWIFT800, which comes with a solid and nicely packed carrying case, and inside the box you get a transmitter, a receiver and a DC adapter which support the power supply to the devices, as well as you get 5 antennas, one pair for your transmitter, one pair for your receiver and one extra antenna, and you also get 2 HDMI cables, one hot shoe. And if I talk about the physical interface of the both devices, then the both devices upper side has antenna interface, and the one side you get a mode and channel button, a USB, HDMI in and out, and the another side you get on off switch, line in, line out, and DC in, and a fan. And the back side of the device you get NPF type battery dock, which is a really good thing, I think. And if I talk about the price of the device, it costs you $549, and in this price segment I have to say the company serves you really great features. That's the device can transmit up to 800 feet and support up to 1080p resolution. You also can connect to 4 smartphones along the SWIFT800 receiver, and the latency and the stability is really great of the device, which is a 70 millisecond ultra low latency, and I think it's a barely minimum. We test the range at 2 different locations, where the residential area device have to face more trouble because there are a lot of barriers between transmitter and receiver, and it lags 2 times after 400 feet. Another location at the countryside area device perform very well, where we transmit more than 900 feet, and we just one time lose the signal after the 700 feet because there is no barrier between the transmitter and receiver, a simple part. Last but not the least, the device latency is really impressive, I have to say. You also can see on screen it's really good, and so don't worry about when you're shooting with a large crew, have monitors and focus pullers, it goes real smoothly. So guys, we've been using the device more than a month, and we have to say the device really has great features and function as compared to its price point and its competitors. And under the 1000 device, the company really provide you great feature up to 800 feet transmission and good connectivity, but it has some cons, like after the 400 feet it gets some lags and connectivity issue, but at this price point I have to say that's a negligible, and other than everything is good. So thanks for watching our video guys, and see you soon in the next video.